This Eid create this beautiful and glowy look with Amrij Cosmetics, but first I have to do my hair transformation. A cleaner hair pump. So this is the Selfie Ready liquid foundation. To mix the other foundation, which is a bit darker. This is a shade that I made, and wow, it's blending so smoothly.
Here it's in the color beige.
The most exciting part, their sleek pigment eyeshadow. It's in gold and it looks really interesting. Ooh, love it.
And now I'm gonna drag this one to the inner corner. I've added this beautiful color on my cheeks. It's gonna dump up pressure too.
To my favorite part, that's highlighter. I really love this. So we are using Amrij number 13. Nice peachy coral pinky, love it. And here's the final look. Bye.